Hello everyone! This is the pixelart arena tutorial video. Today, I'll show you 2 ways to submit your work. First, using any AI tools you like. Second, using Pixel Tool from Arena to improve your chances of winning. Let's start with a simple method. Open your favorite AI image generator. I'll use GPT for today. The most important rule is always follow the 54 by 96 pixel grid. That's because the artist will recreate the final work in exactly that grid size. Now, choose one of the theme images. Think about how you want to reinterpret it. I love Fantasy World, so I'll type this prompt. Convert this image into fantasy pixel art in a 54 by 96 pixel grid. Done! The image is generated. Now, go to the Arena page and submit your work. But remember, the artist will create the physical piece using a 54 by 96 grid. So providing 54 by 96 grid image may have more benefits. If you want a better chance to win, use the Pixel tool provided by the Arena.
Open the Pixel tool and import your image. Just like that, it's automatically converted into 54 by 96 grid. Now simply click Submit and you're done. One more thing, if you want to draw from scratch, you can do that too. Click Start New Painting. Bigger canvases are easier to work with, so I'll choose Large Canvas, turn on the reference image, and this time I'll go for the cat. Paint your own pixel art freely. Then click Save. That's it! Now just hit Submit.
You're officially one step closer to becoming a champion. I hope this session helped you all. For more updates, stay tuned to the CONX community channels. Thank you for watching.